Welcome to our Fun Kids channel, where animals talk, stories sparkle, and every day is a happy adventure.
Let's learn the color's name. Welcome to colorful Rainbow Town.
Wow, a rainbow! Let's go!
This is red. Red, like an apple. This is yellow.
Hey there! What a beautiful day! I'm shining just for you! Let's have some fun!
Yellow, like a banana. This is blue. Blue like the sky. This is green. Green like leaves. This is orange. Orange, like an orange. This is purple. Purple like grapes. White and black. Colors make the world beautiful.